Hello students. So your VIT EEE examination is very near. And in this crucial time, it is very important for us to know that what mistakes we should avoid in this remaining time and also during the examination so that we can ensure a really good score in the actual examination and we can crack VIT EEE exam with flying colors. So watch this video from beginning till the end so that you do not miss out on any important information. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel. So now let's proceed that what are the 9 mistakes that aspirants are making and that you should avoid. The first mistake, that is ignoring the syllabus. So this is one of the most important mistake that majority of the students make. They actually study topics even beyond the VIT EEE prescribed syllabus. So if you just go on and on studying each and everything even beyond what is not even provided in the VIT EEE syllabus, then you are simply wasting your time. So strictly stick to the official syllabus. Focus on NCERT books for physics, chemistry and maths. Okay. So this should be your basic thing that you should try to stick with it. And also you should prioritize conceptual clarity over rote learning. So cramming is not going to help you at all. You have to understand the concept, you have to understand the application of the concepts, formulas, and then you should actually apply it in the problem solving. So that should be your approach. So you should always remember that you should not make this mistake. Second mistake that most of the VIT EEE aspirants make is that they do not practice enough mock test. They just go on reading about the theory without even practicing the mock test. So you have to avoid this mistake. VIT EEE is an online computer-based test that you have to actually understand, and regular mock test helps with your speed, accuracy, and also you will be able to adapt to this computer-based test environment. So this is really essential that you are supposed to practice enough mock test so that you can actually get adaptable to this kind of situation. Now, how you can actually make sure that you are able to avoid these 2 mistakes? For that purpose, you are supposed to have access to right resources, and for that purpose only, we have brought VIT EEE crash course for you. In this, you are getting all the right resources including recorded video lectures, exclusive question bank, short notes and even mock test. So you will get complete access to all these resources at very low price. The original fees of crash course is ₹3,999, but you don't need to worry. It is available at very affordable price after applying discount coupon code of 1700 off. It will just cost you ₹2299. And remember that this is limited period offer. So go fast and enroll in this course. It is available on our website 10qchallenge.in. The link of the website is provided below in the description box. Even the procedure for enrollment is also provided there. So don't at all wait. Just go and grab your seat, enroll fast and boost your VIT EEE preparation. If you have any course related query, you can contact us on this number 8839737146. Now let's move on to the next mistake. So next mistake is all about time management. Time management becomes a serious issue with most of the aspirants. Okay, they actually end up spending lot of time either on one particular section or they get actually hooked into the tough, complicated questions. So what you are supposed to do, you have to avoid this thing. See, each actually question carries equal weightage. 1 mark says actually mark to each and every question. So you have to skip time consuming question and you can actually first you should do easy questions and then you can come back to the tough questions if there is time remaining. So maintain a proper timer during the practice sessions. So for that purpose, you have to really work on your mock test and you will find mock test in our VIT EEE crash course that you can check out below in the description box. Then 4th mistake is random guessing. Most of the students just do random guessing because VIT EEE doesn't have any negative marking. But here you should remember that if you just blindly guessing without any logic, then definitely it's not going to help you at all. because you are not going to reach to the right answer. So how you can actually improve your guessing? So for that, you have to make kind of educated guessing. At least you should be aware of the concept. You should be able to smartly apply your brain, how you can actually eliminate your option, and within two option, how you can actually guess one option. That all these things will actually going to come by the practice. So this is really important in order to restore your lost confidence. Fifth mistake that students make is overlooking English and aptitude section. So mostly the students just focus on physics, chemistry and maths. That's it. They completely ignore aptitude and English section, where it carries 15 marks weightage, which is very important, and it can actually make your break rank. So this is a kind of a game decider that you should not at all avoid. You should actually prioritize this section, and you can really score well in this section. So you should focus on this section as well, apart from physics, chemistry and maths. Sixth mistake that student usually makes is ignoring health and sleep. So while your preparation, you should not only focus on your preparation, but also you should keep in mind your health and sleep are really important. You know, most of the students are actually studying late nights, ignoring sleep and nutrition. So their body is getting affected, their mind is getting tired. So you should not fall in this illusion that without sleep, you can do a lot of things. You can actually crack this exam. If your body and mind doesn't get proper rest, then actually its impact will be seen in the actual exam. So don't make this mistake. Take proper sleep, take proper diet, and give your body proper rest and recovery so that it can actually think openly, and during your actual exam, you will be able to perform really well. So you should actually avoid this mistake as well. Now, seventh mistake is last minute cramming. What happens is that everybody is trying to learn each and everything in the last moment. So you should avoid doing this. See, you should revise those key concepts, those formulas that you have already studied. Okay, don't study anything new because it's not going to help you at all. In this remaining time, what you can do is you can just revise and strengthen the topics that you know, and you can really do well with that thing. Eighth topic is not reading examination instruction properly. Now, the mistakes that we are discussing, last two mistakes that actually you should keep in mind, and you should not do it during the examination. So you should properly read examination instructions. Okay, most of the students think that why wasting time in reading these instructions, but these instructions are very important. So don't skip them. Okay, even on the admit card, some important instructions are mentioned. So to read them carefully, and also during the test. And you should actually know your reporting time. Okay, carry your necessary documents, and also follow the proper guidelines that have been provided. Okay, and this actually help you to manage your stress levels. Okay, so this is really important. Now coming to the last point is that panicking in the examination hall. So you need not to worry on your examination day. What most of the students make mistake is that they get nervous because they sometimes come across unfamiliar question, or the questions they do not have any knowledge about, or they actually succumb to the time pressure. So that is the thing that you should avoid in any kind of scenario. Okay, don't burden yourself with unnecessary pressure. Keep calm, believe in yourself, stay confident about your preparation as well. Definitely nobody can stop you from cracking VITEE examination. So only thing that you are supposed to do that, just trust yourself, and you will definitely going to do good. Alright, so I hope that you have understood all the mistakes that most of the students are making, but you should not do it if you want to ace VITEE 2025 examination. And if you really want to boost your VITEE preparation, then you can check out our VITEE 2025 crash course. All the details have been provided in the description box. Go Go fast and avail the discount coupon code and enroll yourself. Hopefully you have learned each and everything clearly. See you in the upcoming videos. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद. Thank you. God bless you.